An Fictorlan.
An Fictorlan, the cinema. Tá na páistí ag dul go dtí an Fictorlan. The children are going to the cinema.
Scanan.
Scanán, a film. Tá na páistí ag féachaint ar Scanán. The children are watching a film.
Sólásty.
Sólásty, treats. Tá na páistí ag ithe sólásty. The children are eating treats.
Grán Rosta.
Grán rosta, popcorn. Tá siad ag ithe grán rosta. They are eating popcorn.
Joch.
Juck, a drink. Tá siad ag ól juck. They are drinking a drink.
Ticéad.
Ticéad, tickets. Tá ticéad ag na páistí. The children have tickets.
Lá Sport.
Law sport, sports day. Law sport atá ann. It is sports day.
An Adóg.
An adóg, the whistle. Tá an adóg ag an múntóir. The teacher has the whistle. Tá an múntóir ag séada an adóg. The teacher is blowing the whistle.
Rás Trí Chos.
Rás Trí Cos, the three-legged race. Is má lum an Rás Trí Cos. I like the three-legged race.
Ag Titim.
Ag titim, falling. Tá Laura agus Liam ag titim. Laura and Liam are falling.
Ag Airí.
Ag Irie, getting up. Tá Laura agus Liam ag Irie. Laura and Liam are getting up.
Ag Bula Bus.
Ag bula bus, clapping hands. Tá Daddy ag bula bus. Tá Mommy ag bula bus. Tá an múntóir ag bula bus.
Bun.
Bown, a medal. Bhuaigh Laura bown. Laura won a medal. Bhuaigh Liam bown. Liam won a medal. Bhuaigh May bown. I won a medal.
Bróga Ratha.
Bróga Ratha, runners. Tá Bróga Ratha ar Liam. Liam is wearing runners. Tá Bróga Ratha ar Laura. Laura is wearing runners. Tá Bróga Ratha orm. I am wearing runners.
An Grian ag Tainmh.
An Grian ag Tainmh. The sun is shining. Tá an Grian ag Tainmh. The sun is shining. Tá scamal sa spéir. There are clouds in the sky. Tá an spéir gorum. The sky is blue.
Ag Campáil.
Ag campáil, camping. Tá Mommy, Daddy agus Liam ag campáil. Mommy, Daddy and Liam are camping.
An Spéir.
An spéir, the sky. Tá an spéir dorcha. The sky is dark. Tá an gallach sa spéir. The moon is in the sky. Tá réaltaí sa spéir. There are stars in the sky. An oíche atá ann. It is night.
Réaltaí.
Réaltaí, stars. Tá réaltaí sa spéir. There are stars in the sky.
An tuisce.
An tuisce, water. Tá an tuisce fuair, the water is cold.
Ag snáb.
Ag snáb, swimming. Tá Daddy agus Liam ag snáb. Daddy and Liam are swimming.
An chuil.
An cuil, the wood. Tá siad ag campáil sa cuil. They are camping in the wood.
Ag tafan.
Ag tafan, barking. Tá Fifi ag tafan. Fifi is barking.
Colla snáva.
Colla snóva, swimming togs. Tá colla snóva bán darug Laura. Laura is wearing pink swimming togs.
Lin bheog.
Lin bheog, a small pool. Tá isce sa lin bheog. There is water in the small pool.
Ag lapadíl.
Ag lapadíl, paddling. Tá Laura ag lapadíl san isce. Laura is paddling in the water.
Cruiscín.
Cruiscín, a jug. Tá cruiscín ag Mommy. Mommy has a jug.
Cruiscín Liam an áide.
Cruiscín limonada, a jug of lemonade. Tá cruiscín limonada ag Mommy. Mommy has a jug of lemonade. Tá Laura ag ól gline limonada. Laura is drinking a glass of lemonade. Ba bha liom gline limonada. I would like a glass of lemonade.